AI shoe transformation videos are racking up millions of views across social media. Imagine turning any object, like seashells or iridescent butterflies, into fancy high heels or futuristic tech boots. Today, I'm showing you the easiest way to create your own with just one prompt using HitPaw Edimakor. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 2. Generate the video. Once you've launched the software, go to AI Video. Text to video. You'll see the available AI models and their versions. Edimakor supports all the hottest video generation models, whether you're into trending options like MiniMax H3, Seedance 2.0, or Kling. It even integrates Google AI models. Just pick the one you like. I've prepared a ready-to-use prompt template for you. Just click the link in the description below. Paste it into ChatGPT. Pick your favorite idea from the suggestions, and you'll instantly get a polished text-to-video prompt. Then simply plug it into HitPaw Edimakor. Set your resolution aspect ratio, then click Generate to bring your AI shoe transformation to life. Edimakor's text-to-video engine brings your prompt to life with stunning accuracy. You can literally transform any object into these fancy, custom-designed shoes, exactly as you imagined them. Step 3. Publish to get free credits. Once you export your video, don't forget to share it on social media. Simply add #EdimakorBackToSchool to your post to claim 60 free credits. Ready to give it a try? HitPaw Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.